Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to the Tech Library, the show where we give you the best of the best in technology. Today, we are going to take you through TikTok for one particular feature, how to find my search history. Well, whether for revision purposes or for cleaning up your history, the blog got you covered. So, let's get started. To do that, first, make sure you're using TikTok on your smartphone in this way. Then, let me describe. Then tap on your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen, to be taken to your profile. Currently, click the three horizontal lines on the firm corner to extend the menu. Settings and privacy should be chosen from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Now, tap on Search History. Here are your recent searches. It will say, and if you want to return to a search, you just tap on it. Or if you want to clear all the searches you've done, you can choose Clear All. This is how you do it. You have just learned how to clear the search history on TikTok and how to check and manage it. Well, that's it for this guide. If you liked this video, then do not forget to like it and subscribe to Tech Library. We will upload more helpful tips about technology soon. Thank you.